Need to manage devices on your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network? T-Mobile, now enhanced with AI and 6G compatibility, offers three key options: block, forget, and pause. Block permanently prevents a device from reconnecting, ideal for security threats. Forget removes a device's saved profile, forcing a fresh reconnection, useful for troubleshooting. Pause temporarily suspends internet access for parental controls or bandwidth management. Access these features via the T-Mobile app or web portal. Ensure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. These options provide a simple way to maintain a secure and well-managed network. Remember, you can manage up to 50 devices per network. To remove a device, use the T-Mobile app version 25.41 or later, or visit my.tmobile.com. For blocking, select Internet, then Devices, choose the device and tap Block. For forgetting, follow the same path but select Forget Network. To pause, select Pause and set a time limit. Keep in mind that older gateways might require a reboot for changes to take effect. Always check for firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and security. If experiencing issues, the Forget option can sometimes bypass glitches. By understanding these steps and limitations, you can effectively manage your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network and safeguard against unauthorized access.